If you're feeling overwhelmed with the self-care trends, it's time to simplify. Embrace the ancient wisdom of Stoicism for a refreshed 2024. In a world bustling with wellness trends, let's take a moment to rewind to something timeless: Stoicism. Now, don't worry, we're not diving into heavy philosophy here. Think of Stoicism as your new best friend in the world of self-care. Stoicism teaches us the art of resilience. It's about greeting every challenge with a calm smile and knowing deep down, you've got this. Imagine facing life's ups and downs with a serene heart and a clear mind. That's Stoic self-care. Now let's break it down. Start your day with a simple mantra. I control my reactions. It's empowering, right? Next, sprinkle little pauses in your day. A minute of just breathing deeply or noticing the sky. These moments, they're your power-ups. And remember, self-care isn't selfish, it's essential. By taking care of yourself, you're better equipped to care for others. Stoicism helps you balance your emotions, leading to a healthier, happier you. So, let's embrace a Stoic mindset for self-care in 2024. It's simple, sustainable, and yes, revolutionary. And hey, if you love these tips and want to dive deeper into mastering holistic wellness, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more enlightening content. Together, let's make 2024 the year of thriving, not just surviving.